Hi guys, if you have never tried any recipe on my channel, let me tell you, hurry and try this egusi soup recipe because trust me, it is a hit. Back to back this particular one. I tracked up my egusi recipe a little bit and trust me, it is amazing. I'm going to toast my egusi seeds lightly and I'm going to add in some banga fish in there. You can add any dry fish that you like and toast all of them together till it is lightly brown. Using my Butchie Mix Power Blender, I'm going to blend my egusi seed and the banga dry fish. Work together till I get that and make a thick puree out of it. I'm going to boil my meat, stock fish for more with my salt, onion and seasoning for at least 10 to 12 minutes before I add in my smoked fish. I'm using smoked mackerel and smoked fish. Feel free to use any smoked fish that you like. Now once that is cooked through, set it aside into another pan. You're going to add palm oil and then your onion and then your ground a good seed that you made into a thick paste, some scotch bonnet, and yellow habanero pepper and fry all of that. Still it properly and fried at least 8 minutes. Once it is fried, go ahead and add in your meat and meat stock. Some crayfish powder, cover and allow this to simmer on low heat till the oil floats on top. Go ahead and add generous amount of ogo leaf and aziza stir until it is well combined. Allow that to simmer for another 2 minutes and you have the most delicious egusi soup that will have people licking their fingers back to back. Please show some love to subscribe, like and share. Bye.